Alright, so you may have put your iPhone 12 into TalkBack mode, also known as voiceover, and you might have done this by mistake, which is what usually happens. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable it, and you can also use this to enable it if that's what you want to do. Welcome back to another video. My name is Sergio with Serg-Tech, and in this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell to get notified on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in the description down below, so check that out, and let's jump right into the video now. Okay, so there's a couple ways to navigate around here once you're in TalkBack mode. So if you're in this screen right here, if your screen is off and you can't figure out how to get back into your phone, all you have to do is with one finger swipe up, hold it for a second, and let go after you feel the vibrate. FaceTime. And it will take you home. So how we're going to disable TalkBack, also known as voiceover, is with 3 fingers you can scroll around. So you can scroll around your apps from right to left and left to right. You can also scroll down from the top of the phone from any screen and just hold it for a second till it vibrates. And when you let it go, Control Center will pop up. But what you want to do is you want to find the settings. So once you find settings, you're going to select it.
One new item.
Double tap it.
Double settings.
So you're going to have to select something.
Cellular button.
So that you can scroll around, and then with 3 fingers, then you can scroll around.
Rows 9 to 26 of 58.
And then you're going to scroll down until you find accessibility.
Rows 23.
And actually accessibility is right here. So we're going to select
accessibility button.
And then double tap it.
Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs.
So here in accessibility, it's going to be the first option right here, which, as you can see, it says voiceover right there. So just select
voiceover on.
Double tap it.
Voiceover on.
And it's going to take us into voiceover. Here in voiceover, just select the toggle switch right here.
Voiceover.
And then double tap it.
Voiceover off.
And there you go. Voiceover will be off. So yeah, you can just click around your phone now and start using it normally again without that annoying sound. Alright everyone, so that is how you disable or also enable TalkBack, also known as voiceover, on your Apple iPhone 12. So go ahead and give this video a like if this was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.